So hello friends, so I am back with another video on the WebGIS development using open source tools. So in the previous video, I have just shown you a simple map, how to develop a simple map like this. Just a simple map is there, and you can just zoom in and zoom out, and all the layers are given on the left side in the panel. You can switch on and switch off the layers. So this was the basic which I have shown in the previous video. So moving on from this video, I'll show you how to add the further functionalities such as this pan map, zoom in, zoom out, max extend, zoom to maximum extent, zoom to rectangle, measure length, measure area, and get. These are the few of the functionalities. I will show you how to add these functionalities. So yeah, I'll move it on. I'll move on. So this was our previous code which we have written, and I have already given this the link for this code in the description of the previous video. So in this video, what I will show you, what other things we have to add in the code to get the page like this. Okay. So one by one I'll add. So this is just I want to remind one thing, that this is the basic page. We've imported three libraries: Openlayers, Geoext, and EXTJS. So quickly I want to tell you again that we are using here Geoext second version, EXT 4.2.1, Openlayers 2.13. So these are the three libraries which we are using, and all these are imported here. JavaScript libraries are imported with Geoext. So what we will do, and also I have already uploaded the videos. We will be using the Geoserver for serving the our GIS shapefiles. So I have already uploaded the video regarding the installation of Geoserver, and also how to publish the shapefiles through Geoserver, so that you can see that. After that you can go through this video. So this was our previous web page, the first page. Now I will add one by one. Every tool we will add one by one. So I'll show you. So suppose first we will add a simple pen. So I have already another page which I just copy paste from there. So this is for pan map. Suppose I'll copy this, and later on I will explain. Let's copy, and this I will just I will copy and paste this code here. So this is the pan map. So I have created a variable pan, and this is the function ext create. This is the geoext function, geoext.action. So this is the action function. In that you can give any open layer control. So this is the by default open layer control, new open layer control navigation. So directly we are using this control. So we have created an action. After that we have mapped this action to the ext button, because we have to create a button. So after adding this, we will just save this. And one more thing we want to do here, we want to tool on the top side of our page. So for that, what we will do, this is our button, pan map button we have created, and we have mapped the geoext function to it. So we'll copy this pan map, and what we'll do on our map panel, okay, this is our map panel. What I will do, I will just simply add t bar on top, colon, just bracket, and I'll give the name. Just paste the name. It's pan map. I have added a pan map here. Also, one more thing we have to see here. We need few of this function, GST function. So don't forget to copy this GST function, and also yes, because we require GST function also. Just save this page. Now is the basically nothing but the JPEG, this JPEG. So if I remove this, if I make comment, PNG. I have made a folder inside this Tomcat web apps, as I explained in the previous video. Inside the Apache, my Geoserver installed, and under the web apps, I have created a folder named test. Under test, I have given this page. All the libraries I have kept it here. Open layers, Geoext, and everything. All the links I have given here. This I have explained in the previous video, so you can go through that video if you want to see. So here I have kept it, my images. This is all the PNGs. So this is how we have added the pen functionality. So again I will add another functionality. Suppose zoom in and zoom out. So I will copy this zoom in and zoom out. Difference in zoom in and zoom out in this pen. If you see in zoom in zoom out, I have directly created a button. So I have created a ext button and I am calling a function on the click of that button. But here I cannot call a function because I am using a control. In zoom in zoom out, I just click and it will zoom in zoom out on the click of the button. So basically I'm calling a function on the click of the button. But here on the click of the button, I need that function to work till that button is pressed. So that's why I have created a Geoext action, and that action I have mapped to the button. But here in zoom in and zoom out, I have directly created a ext button. Under that I have given a handler and I'm calling the function map.zoomin. This is the open layer function. Directly I'm calling it. So the zoom in and zoom out, what I'll do, this is the direct, these are the buttons. So I'll just write it here, zoom in, comma, button, it is calling the function. But here it is a pen. If you're clicking this, then this is the continuous function which we have to use. So first I am giving it an action, then I'm mapping it to a button. Now similar to the zoom to the extent and zoom to the rectangle, two button I want to add. So I'll copy this first and then I will explain here. I will again add, copy and paste these two. So you see, first zoom X. I will create an action first. Then I will give the JPEG icon. I'm giving the text also. And after that, I am mapping this function, this action, to a button called zoom X. And same for the zoom rectangle. For zooming a particular area of a map, we are using this rectangular zoom. So I'm creating a Geoext action. I'm giving the control new open layers control zoom box. Here I'm giving the open layer function of zoom to max extent, and then I'm mapping this action to a button. So I'll copy this zoom X and zoom rec, and I'll just copy and paste here zoom X. So you can see after adding this, and save this. So when you zoom it and you click on zoom to max extent, it will go back to the maximum extent. Wherever you zoom, zoom rectangle, you can zoom it like that. And this is zoom out. So all function are working. So there is a basic difference. If you're calling a function, then you will directly, you can use button on the click of the function, it will call the function. But if you're creating a control, if you're calling a control, then you have to first you have to create an action, then you have to map it to a button, ext button. So now we will add, okay, there is navigate to the previous zoom or navigate to the next zoom two things we will add here. So I'll just copy and paste this here. Layer function, which is navigation history. It will give you the history, navigation history. Then you are adding this control to the map. Then you are creating two Geoext action. First one is navigate to the previous action and navigate to the previous zoom. So this is the control. Then this action I'm mapping to a button. Then navigate to the next action. So again I'm mapping this to a new button. And then what I'll do, I'll just add these two buttons also. So after adding this, if you see, I must have made some mistake here. Let me check. Oh yeah, this should be comment. So suppose you are zooming it here. Again you're zooming it here, so it will go to the previous zoom, then next zoom. So it will remember your zoom, on which zoom you are. So you can use this zoom. And next we will add measure length, measure area. So I will directly copy these two, measure length and measure area from here. Then I will explain. Copy, paste here. See. So first measure length. I have created a Geoext action called measure length. Then I have given the PNG, the image of this button. Measure length. This is the control. This is the open layer control which I am using for path. Actually, for length we have to just give a simple lines kind of thing, but just path. So that's why I am using handler path. You need not to know about all of these things. You can just copy paste this and just create a button and map this measure length to it. Then in measure area, just we are using the handler.polygon. We are making a polygon. Again, we are mapping it to a new button. So I'll just copy and paste these two and I'll add this. So if you copy and paste, save this. So you can, it will give you the result, measure area. So you can zoom to anywhere, and suppose you want to measure a rough, suppose rough area of anything there, you directly see the area. And also there is one more thing is there which I want to show you. This is, I have given the toggle group tools everywhere. If you see toggle group tools, this means only one of the tool is activated. So this one, this one, this one, this one. So only one of the tool is activated anytime. Suppose I will select this will be unselected automatically. So this means toggle. So I'll use zoom to extend pen map. Okay. Now finally we will add get feature info. So on the click, how to get the information about the feature on which you are clicking. So it's very simple. I'm directly using the open layer here also, open layer function here. What I will do, I'll just copy and paste this. You just have to see this. I have created a variable info. Again, I have created an action. In that action, I am using the control WMS get feature info. This is the open layer function by default. I'm using it. You need not to know anything about it. Only just give this link, Geoserver WMS link, because your layers are coming from the Geoserver. Because these layers are coming from Geoserver, you can see my previous video in which I have shown how to put layers in the Geoserver and then how to link that layers to on this web page. So I can show you here also. These are our two layers which are coming from Geoserver. See, this is one variable India state. This is the link from Geoserver, and this is India district. This is the link from Geoserver. This is the name of the layer inside the Geoserver. So I'm getting it from the Geoserver. So yes, where were we? Where we were? Okay, info. So you just give a right name here, localhost, your port number 8081 in my case, your port will be 8080, 8082, depend on you on which port you are installing the Geoserver. Just give this link right. After that, all things are okay. You have to give this map. So the variable map name is map only. Here I'll show you this variable map. If your name is map1, map2, my map, so that you everywhere you have to give the map name different. So after creating this action, you have to map it to another button. So I have mapped it to a button called get info. I'll copy it. And one more thing I want to show you here. So when you refresh it, you will get info. Just click here. If you click anywhere, yes. Why it is not showing? I'll show you. It is not showing anything right now because here in get feature info, I'll show you. I have given a pop-up. If pop-up map dot remove pop-up. So I'm creating a pop-up in which the attributes of the feature will come. So I have to just declare a variable here, pop up here above anywhere above this var a global variable I have to create. So now it will come perfectly. I'll explain you why I did that. On get feature info, now you're getting there are two layers, so you're getting the information about the two layers at that particular point. Suppose I have switch off this one, then I will click here, so it will give you only information about the when you see when I'm clicking in the another feature, it is automatically destroying the previous pop-up. So that's why I have used here. If pop-up map dot remove pop-up, then this. Otherwise, what we can do? Suppose I can this. If there is pop-up, then remove the pop-up and then all the functionalities we have added in this from measure, zoom to zoom rectangle. So that's it from this video. So what I will do, I will give the link to this HTML file in the description. All the others, and I will give the link to the video in the description, previous video in which I have made a simple map, simple web GIS page with having layers and this layer switcher only. So I will give that link also, and I will mention the links of the another videos such as how to install Geoserver, how to from where you need to you can download these APIs, and how to install PostGIS, PostgresQL. So all the previous videos, the link for the previous videos I will give in the description. So that's it from this video. So later on, what I will do, I will upload another video to further extend in this application. Suppose we have not till now we have not added any legend panel into this. We have not given any colors to this. So that I will show you in another video how to style your layer, how to give different colors to the different features based on the attributes, how to add legend, and how to do the special query such as buffer and all that things or how to query a layer on the base of the attributes. Those things I will add in the future video. Okay, and also this you need not have to write a name and image both. What you can do here, you can, if suppose I will make this icon as a, getting the only name here, and if I depends on you whether you want both, or you want name only, or you want image. So thank you friends, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to get the notification about the future videos. And please let me know in the comments if you have any problem. Please suggest me on which topic you want me to make video regarding GIS, any geospatial problem. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.